Hey, in this video, I'm gonna show you how I put my septic system in. I'd never done it before, so I called Larry and my neighbor Harold come over and help me. They both done them, so they kind of held my hand and walked me through it. Larry helped me put the septic tank in, and then Harold helped me dig the leach lines, and we put the chambers in. I busted a water line twice because I forgot that it was there. You need a transit. Of course, you gotta buy the materials, the pipe, the septic tank, the chambers. You need a backhoe. So check it out. Enjoy the video. Septic tank installation. Septic system came in, so me and Larry are going to do septic in today. All right. Yep, busted it right in half. That's all right, I can fix it, but I should have known better. I just forgot about it. Health Department came, signed off on this, so I'm good. Got my paperwork. So I still got to dig out a little more. But this is it right there. Total cost to do this septic installation was about $3,500. I got quotes on it to have somebody else do it for me, and it was $7,000. So after I paid for the chambers, the tank, the pipes, the distribution box, and then paid Harold and Larry a little bit of cash to help me, it was about $3,500. So if you're interested in doing it yourself, that'll be different prices depending on what part of the country you're in. But I went with the plastic septic tank for no other reason than that's just what I chose. But they do make a concrete one, and I think they might make a metal one too. But those chambers are, what did I need? I think I needed 82 feet, and they're 4 feet each. So let's see, with 4, so I needed about 22 of those chambers. Yeah, it's 88. 21 or 22 of those chambers. Can't remember how much they were each, but all in all cost in, everything in, about $3,500. So just so you know. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. See you.